What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be installing sweeping LED side indicators for the Vauxhall Astra. So yeah, let's get right to it. So I've got the box right here, bought from eBay. This was £29. I'll put the link in the description, and yeah, we're gonna see it. Quite hard to open it with one hand. Yeah, we got it right here. Here they are. I'm assuming it's plug and play. It looks like a clipper right here, just there. So it just looks like it just clips on. But yeah, they're smoked, guys, and you can just see a LED strip there, so hopefully they're sweeping. This will make the car 10 times better. Grabbed a flathead screwdriver, and hopefully I managed to take it out with a flathead screwdriver. You gotta be really careful. I did it. All you really need to do is just twist this like this, and it should pop out like this. So then you would just take this bulb out and plug the new LED indicators in there, and it should just clip on. But before we do that, it's dirty around here, so I'm just going to give that a clean. So it's all cleaned up now. So I've got the LED indicator right here. It's tinted and it should be sweeping, you can find out. And there should be an R on it, which means right side. So obviously in UK is driver side. So I've plugged it in, and now we're just going to test to see if it works. And looks good so far, and it is sweeping. So now we're just gonna take this cover off and plug it in here. Hopefully it just plugs in and sits with it. So it should be like so. It looks 10 times better. I like how it's sweeping, so it does work. So you do the same to the other side, and I just used a flathead screwdriver. It should come out like so. And now I'm just going to give this a clean because it's dirty. And then you do the same thing here. You just twist this. You twist this clockwise. It's quite hard to do with one hand. There we go. And it just should pop out like so, and you'll see the actual light bulb. Or you obviously remove the light bulb. But then you get the new LED side indicator and just plug it in. And now I just need to click it in. I've already tested it, it works fine, but I'll show you the aftermath. And that's it installed, guys. Looks far better, especially from far. I will do a night test to show you what it looks like. But it looks good. I'm quite pleased with the result. Same on the other side. Looks much better. I did not make a video about this, but I did spray this black, and as you can tell, it wasn't really a good job because it's just started peeling back off. So I will release a video on this soon, but for now I'll just be doing that. So guys, I'm currently outside, and this is what it looked like in the dark. It's so bright. I've turned my flashlight on. It looks good. It's very bright. The LED works fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and I hope you find the right LED sweeping indicators for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. If you haven't already, make sure you follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. I mostly use Instagram. I'll see you in the next one.